It's,
I don't know, I think you might go the electronic for them. There's the receipt for the first service.
Okay, so Ian, the vision technician.
No, they stamped that with Enfield.
Jamie and Amanda, if you don't
Oh,
see
there it is.
speak to
Yeah.
the guy anymore, just say how it is.
Yeah.
Say, sorry buddy, the invite was meant for
Yeah.
someone else with the same name.
And there's both keys with it.
Exactly. Oh gosh,
As well.
I really feel for this
Yeah,
person.
there we
We
go.
had 11 people at our wedding and still had 2 guests we didn't particularly want there. I don't know how.
okay, to the left.
Yeah.
Doing notice that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
And that's been standing. Last time I started it was when he was on the video thing, which was I think last Monday or Tuesday.
Okay.
So it's been standing
yeah,
a week.
it's good sounding.
Yeah. No, it's I gotta be honest, it's been bloody great. As long as, you know, if the performance is, it'll